Hello everyone. Today we will talk about advanced features of Excel. First of all, let us take this example. That is, we have taken, this is the name and some marks secured by the students. So, what we will know first, we first are the components of a chart. So, we have seen that we can make a chart with the help of first we need to select the area, select the data set that we want to make the chart of. Then you have to go to the insert section and you can see that there are lots of chart options. First option is the column, then line, then pie, then bar, then area, then scatter, then other types of chart. And when you click it, you also get different variations of text chart. First of all is a 2D column, then a 3D or a cylindrical or a clone or a pyramid. So let us click it here and we get this. So these are the marks secured by Anju, Manju, Ranjana, Kirti, Hemant in the given table. And the blue is for English and the red is for Hindi. So this is a simple chart. Now as soon as we click it here, we get the design icon here. Now you can see we have different formats. Now to add a chart title or to add a category name, to add a legend, to add a grid lines, all of them. So let us click here first of all. See, the chart title is added here. So we can edit the chart title here. We can say March, right? Or you can use this one. This is another type of chart, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, and you have lots more. Okay, okay, this is the access title. Now in the access title you can write here marks, and write here student names, chart title, exam. So this is how you make a chart. Now there are different kinds of chart we will talk about. First chart is the bar chart. Okay, bar chart. So let us keep it aside, make it small, make it small and keep it aside. See, we are selecting this data again, go to insert, and first is the bar chart. So this is the bar chart. Bar chart we can say this one. So bar chart is not vertical, it's horizontal. So there are different variations, different colors, different whatever uh, design you want to give. So bar chart is there. Next is the column chart. Column chart is this one that we first used, that we have used for the first time. This one is the column chart. This one is a column chart. So next is a line chart. How we get a line chart? We take the required area and go to the line and draw a line chart. So this is the line chart. Area chart, for area chart similar procedure. From here go to area and get an area chart. So there is other XY scatter chart. There are pie charts. So I will show you the pie chart. Pie chart, you will use pie chart for only one subject. You cannot use it for two subjects. So you should understand why you can use only one subject. You can use only one subject because you in pie chart you can divide only one item. Okay, for English you have to do this one, and for Hindi you have to do separately. So that is a pie chart. Now, I hope you have understand how to create a chart now uh, using the tools in Excel. Next, we will talk about sorting data, how you can sort the data, and then filtering data. Let us delete this. For sorting and filtering, you should go to the data section. In this data section, you will find this sort and filter. Sort and filter. In here, you can do the sorting and the filter. To do sorting and filter, you should first select, open the worksheet that you want to do, and then you have to select it, and then you first put a sort. You should click on the sort. Now, column, you want to sort it with the name, then values, order A to Z. Okay. Now see, it has automatically changed from A to Z. Now you can click here to get a Z to A, right? And the A is last and R is first here, or A to Z. So this is how you sort. Next thing is filter. To do filter, you can select it again and click on the filter icon. As soon as you click on the filter icon, you will see that there are small drop box in each cell of the top of the where the name starts. See here now you can sort it. As soon as you click, you can sort from A to Z here, or from Z to A, like this. It is not that only the first row is changing. The marks for them is also changing automatically. Now the filter, okay, filter. Now for filter, you can see it is selected all. When unselected, suppose you want to see only Anju, then so you can see only Anju's, right? Or you want to compare with Kirti, so the Kirti is here. So these two has okay. And when you select all again, all will appear. Similarly, if you want to see the smallest and the largest numbers, since all are number here. So let's see who has got the highest number. Hemant has got the highest number here. And who has got the smallest number? Kirti. We can also sort that from smallest to highest. He says Manju, Kirti, and then you can select according to your wish. You can see here I will select who has got the highest number. You can see that it's Hemant. You can see here. Okay, so this is sorting and filtering data. So this chapter concludes with that. You should understand that some of the main points, uh, the definitions. Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet in an effective way to display the data in a pictorial form. Whereas the other thing like sorting. Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending order in a worksheet. And the next thing is the filter. Filter features allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view. It hides the data temporarily, okay, so that you can see. Or suppose there is a long list of students, there are 60, 70 students in this, so you want to see a particular person, so this feature will help. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.